traditionally, whenever I thought of a library, I definitely thought of the more traditional format where it's like physical books in a physical space, but just seeing that it's also taking on new technologies and you can learn so much more just beyond a textbook there is so exciting for me.
Going into the library for the first time, it was amazing what it had to offer and like so much space available for the students. I had a bunch of like group assignments and group work. So it was very nice to know that like we could book a study space and have our own room so that we can discuss. So it definitely allowed for like kind of a community, like to build like friendships.
I worked in the trades for like 20 years until I came back to school in 2017 as a mature student. When I first came to school, I could barely form a paragraph. And then that's when I started learning about the services in the library. It provides support systems for writing help and research. Just from my perspective, I could probably write a book now.
I write a lot of papers. The online database makes it so easy for me to search up specific academic journals or papers that I'm looking for.
Whenever I found out that they have 3D printers there, I was like mind blown. They also have librarians there who can teach you about Photoshop and Illustrator, and that there's whole workshops dedicated to that.
I participated a lot through the library. The library has been very supportive. I've done presentations which explores like colonialism and indigenous culture and wampum belts and placemaking. All this research and networking and talking, it opened up a lot of opportunities for me.
Your learning is not totally up to you there. There's people who can help you along the way, people who hold your hand.
Like all the resources given to me, like I know that they're there in case my computer breaks. It's nice to know that I can go to the library and borrow a computer.
I didn't realize how much support systems there actually are in the library to help you succeed through your education journey. So I think it is essential for students to interact and engage with the library